Hey guys, welcome back to Mandy's Planet. On today's episode, I'm going to be making calzones. Here are some of my ingredients. I got some pizza crust, some mozzarella cheese, ricotta cheese, ham, chicken, and turkey. So let's go ahead and get started. Our first step is going to be to oil our pan so our crust does not stick. And I'm going to be using a thin crust and a thick crust. And one is a circle crust and the other one is square. Okay, now that our pan is oiled, I'm going to go ahead and get the crust ready. So it's going to be the bistro pizza. It's the same style I used for the pizzas that I made last week. So this is our thin crust, and it's the round crust. So in this one, I'm going to do ham, ricotta, and mozzarella cheese. So your first step is going to be to put your meat down. And you can put any meat or vegetables that you want. And then the ricotta cheese. Okay, so after the ricotta cheese is placed on top of the meat, I'm going to go ahead and put some Italian seasoning on top of that. And then I will do my mozzarella cheese. Now that all the ingredients are inside, we're going to go ahead and pull the dough over, and then we're just going to pinch it down on the sides to make it like a closed calzone. Just kind of roll it and pinch it. Okay, after you've got your dough all pinched around the sides to keep it closed, you're going to go ahead and make a couple of slots on top of your dough. This is so the air doesn't get trapped inside and create bubbles in your dough or crust. So now I'm just doing a little wash on top with some oil. You can do egg wash or melted butter wash. And then after that, I'm going to go ahead and sprinkle some more Italian seasoning on top. Okay, time for our second calzone. And this one is going to be for Josh. I'm going to be using the thick crust that is also a square crust. And inside of his calzone, he is going to be 3 meats. So he's going to have ham, chicken, and turkey. So here I just have the bistro style dough, same as I used for the other one that I did earlier. So now I'm just going to go ahead and place all the ingredients inside of my dough. And then after I have all the meat laid down, I'm going to do the ricotta cheese, the Italian seasoning, and then the mozzarella cheese on top of that. So same for this one, you're just going to go ahead and fold that dough over and then pinch all your sides together to close your calzone up. And then you're also going to do your little slits on the top so so the air does not get trapped inside of your calzone and create little bubbles. And then after that, I'm just going to do a little oil wash with some Italian seasoning. Now we're going to get ready to put these babies in the oven. So our thin crust calzone will cook for 14 to 16 minutes, and our thick crust calzone is going to cook for 20 to 25 minutes on 400 degrees. Now they have turned out beautiful. They smell amazing. I really hope that you have enjoyed this video, and I hope that you have learned to make calzones. And I really hope that you will subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you for watching. Bye.